Hey friends, I wanted to introduce you to the Hills at Cedar Creek. It's a great new community development in Winder. Got 4 and 5 bedroom homes and I wanted to show them to you. They're a great option at a decent price. So pricing starts at $396,900 and that's a 4 bedroom house. So really good option. Come check it out with me. Okay. So over to your immediate left, you could use this as a formal dining room or office space like we have it staged, but it's definitely a nice size, so however you wanted to use this space. To your right, which is right off, obviously the main level, you have a bedroom here with its own bathroom access. You have a nice shower so let's say you needed an in-law suite or something like that, or in-law room. This could kind of function as that if you had a guest as well, just somebody who didn't need to do stairs. And this could be a good option. So come back out this way. So nice open concept here with your living room, kitchen, and dining space. I like how they've used the space well. In this house, you've got lots of countertop in your kitchen, which, as everybody knows, you can never have enough cabinet room, enough storage in your kitchen. So they've got cabinetry built in here to the island as well. And a decent pantry here. It's not huge, but it's decent. And again, you've got lots of cabinets in your kitchen as well. So most of these lots are, he said, about a 1/3 acre size. So let's come check out the upstairs. Okay, so this particular plan is the Dresden, and it has this area here that's just kind of big space, not quite what I would call a loft space. Now, some of the other ones do have more of an actual loft space. So depending on what your needs are, you want to consider that in your plans. But okay, so this is bedroom number 1 upstairs. It's not huge, but it's got a decent closet size here. And I like how they have used space. It still feels nice. And here we have bedroom number 2. And it kind of has a Jack and Jill. Well, it does have a Jack and Jill feature here with the bathroom that connects to this other bedroom as well. This one is definitely the more spacious bedroom. So maybe you give this to your older teen, or if you needed an office upstairs, you definitely have a larger closet in this one as well. So thing I like about this, you've got 2 sinks, which is very nice to have for your folks getting ready, and then separate door back here for shower and potty. So somebody can getting ready, brushing their teeth, and then somebody can be showering. So that does help efficiency with a family. All right, this one is, a bigger bedroom, not as big as the last one we just toured. And this is kind of a medium-sized closet. Good use of space, I would say, overall. So the nice thing about these right now is you have up to $15,000 in buyer incentives. So, and one thing to consider is if you want representation in a buy on new construction, you definitely want to reach out before you go under contract, before you tour. So it's just a simple call. Reach out, let us know you're interested, and we'll absolutely meet you there. Okay, so this one has a neat feature. Has a laundry room here, kind of off the hallway, but it also connects to the master closet. So I'm gonna take you around so you can kind of see the back side of that. So here's the master. Some of these have a kind of an optional seating area. This one does not, but it is spacious. So I do like the size of it here. And I like the placement of the windows and kind of how much light feels like it's coming in, but you're gonna love the size of this bathroom. It's definitely nice. So you have separate his and her vanities, soaker tub, separate water closet, and separate shower. So lots of nice options there. And then I feel like the closet in here It's basically the size of it'd be a small bedroom, but still, you got a lot of size in here, a lot of space, a lot of storage. So definitely a cute option. It's affordable, and especially if you're looking for 4 and 5 bedroom homes. You got some storage in here, like a linen closet as well. So we're going to take you to see the amenities in the neighborhood as well. So this, you're going to like what this neighborhood has to offer. Come check it out. Hey friends, so I wanted to show you the amenities here with Cedar Creek that you get. So right behind us, we have a clubhouse here, and through there is a nice pool. And directly to the left is a playground. And across immediately is a tennis court. And right behind that is a sand pit where you have a volleyball court. So lots of nice options to hang out with family and friends, and even the community for some community events. And if you have questions about new construction, or particularly this neighborhood, reach out with any questions you have about real estate. We're here to help you all the way. Until next time, y'all take care. Have a good one. See ya.